Ito, mag-sound check tayo ng Tosonra XZ22 na passive line na rin po mga boss. Dual 12 ang laman nito. Ang watts, 1350 watts po. Peak power. Ito po ang model. So, ang price naman ito ay 12,800 isang piraso po mga boss. Bound to Nobilita, Cavite para kay Sir Kim Mendoza. Okay sir? Sound check po tayo sa mga in-order mong Tosonra XZ22. Dito po pala tayo ngayon sa CMP Consumer Electronics. Yan po yung likod. May link na for another linery. May link na speak on. Next song. Sir Kim Mendoza ng Nobilita, Cavite. Ito yung Tosonra XZ22 model na linery. XZ22 ang model. XZ22 dual 12 po. Ang watts nito 1350 po mga boss. Dual 12 po yan ang laman. Ang price na pala nito 12,800 ang isang piraso.
Much more than this, I didn't mind.
1350 watts.
Regrets, but then again, too few to mention. I did what I had planned. Each careful step in my way. Yes, there were times when I beat on more than I could chew. But through it all,
Bound to Nobilita, Cavite po sa para kay Kim Mendoza, yung bayari.
baby, won't you tell me why there is sadness in your eyes? Love is one big illusion. I should, but there is something in my head.
Ulitin ko lang yung price, 12,800 po isang piraso. 12,800.
Now you're the one to make it stop. I'm the one who's feeling lost.
Passive na linery, dual 12.
There's something left in my head. They're lasting for so long, but I'm not the man your heart is missing.
Kim Mendoza ng Nobilita, Cavite. Thank you, thank you.